Recruiterflow's integrated ecosystem puts everything you need under one roof, so you can spend less time on admin and more time driving real progress for your business. Manage your jobs and projects seamlessly within Recruiterflow's ATS. Track progress visually with Kanban-style pipelines, making it easy to monitor candidates at every stage of the hiring process. Recruiterflow's AI-powered matching identifies the perfect candidates for your job in seconds, surfacing the best fit talent from your database. Meet your AI recruiting agent, powered by Recruiterflow. Ask anything about a candidate, and it will instantly pull insights from CVs, calls, emails, and messages, giving you the information you need in seconds. Track your revenue pipeline and keep tabs on candidate movements. Job change alerts help you stay ahead, so you never miss an opportunity to re-engage. Create a high-performance culture with Recruiterflow's leaderboards and goal-setting tools. Track individual and team progress, recognize top performers, and set clear revenue targets for your firm. Engage candidates across channels with powerful automation. Multi-channel sequences let you scale personalized outreach, while Recruiterflow handles your follow-ups. Make smarter decisions with Recruiterflow's business intelligence tools. Track performance, measure ROI, and uncover insights to optimize your recruiting strategy. With integrations for Slack, Teams, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and more, Recruiterflow fits seamlessly into your workflow, so you can stay connected wherever you work. Recruiterflow isn't just an ATS or CRM, it's a game changer for recruiting agencies. Ready to reset your expectations? Start your free trial or book a demo today.